Welcome to World Icons and Travel. Today, we immerse ourselves in the raw power and breathtaking beauty of Iguazu Falls, a colossal natural wonder straddling the border of Argentina and Brazil. More than just a single waterfall, Iguazu is a complex system of hundreds of individual cascades, thundering down cliffs surrounded by lush rainforest, creating a spectacle of unparalleled grandeur. From the legendary Devil's Throat to the serene trails offering panoramic vistas, Iguazu is a symphony of water, mist, and vibrant life. Join us as we explore its diverse viewpoints, uncover its rich history and indigenous legends, and marvel at the incredible biodiversity of its surrounding environment. Prepare for an immersive exploration of Iguazu Falls, nature's thunderous masterpiece. Our journey to this natural wonder begins now. Setting the scene, geography, and the Iguazu River. Our exploration begins at the meeting point of Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay, where the mighty Iguazu River, meaning Great Water in the indigenous Guarani language, carves its way through the landscape. Explore maps of South America, highlighting the location of Iguazu Falls and the Iguazu River. The river originates near the city of Curitiba in Brazil and flows for over 1,320 kilometers, 820 miles, before its dramatic plunge over the Parana Plateau, forming the spectacular Iguazu Falls. Show aerial and satellite views of the Iguazu River and its course leading to the falls. The geological formation of the falls is linked to a volcanic fault line, creating the dramatic cliffs over which the water cascades. Discuss the geological history of the region and the formation of the falls. The surrounding subtropical rainforest, part of the Panoramic forest, is one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, teeming with unique flora and fauna. Understanding the geography of the river and the surrounding environment is crucial to appreciating the scale and significance of Iguazu Falls. The legend of Iguazu, indigenous stories. Before the arrival of European explorers, the indigenous Guarani people inhabited the region and had their own rich legends to explain the creation of the magnificent Iguazu Falls. Explore the traditional Guarani story of Naipe, a beautiful indigenous woman, and Taroba, a brave warrior who loved her. According to the legend, the river god Mboy was also in love with Naipe and, in a fit of rage when she tried to flee with Taroba in a canoe, he created the massive waterfalls to separate them forever. Show artistic renderings depicting the Guarani legend of Naipe and Taroba and the angry river god Mboy. The Devil's Throat, the largest and most powerful section of the falls, is said to be where Mboy resides, forever watching over the separated lovers. These legends offer a fascinating glimpse into the indigenous understanding and reverence for this powerful natural wonder. European discovery and exploration. The first European to record the existence of Iguazu Falls was the Spanish conquistador Álvar Núñez Cabeza de Vaca in 1541. Explore historical accounts of Cabeza de Vaca's expedition and his encounter with the falls. While his account brought the falls to the attention of the European world, the remote location meant that they remained relatively unknown for centuries. Show maps illustrating Cabeza de Vaca's journey through South America. It wasn't until the late 19th and early 20th centuries that the falls began to be more extensively explored and documented by scientists and travelers. Discuss the early scientific expeditions and the growing interest in the natural wonders of South America during this period. The naming of the falls as Iguazu preserved the indigenous Guarani name, acknowledging the long history of human connection to this site. Exploring the Argentine side, a panoramic spectacle. The Argentine side of Iguazu Falls offers the most extensive network of trails and walkways, providing visitors with incredible panoramic views of the numerous cascades. Virtually explore the upper circuit, offering breathtaking vistas from the top of several major falls. Show stunning aerial views and perspectives from the upper circuit walkways. The lower circuit allows for closer encounters with the power of the water as it plunges into the river below. Experience a virtual walk along the lower circuit trails, highlighting the proximity to the falls and the surrounding rainforest. The highlight of the Argentine side is undoubtedly the Devil's Throat, Garganta del Diablo, a U-shaped chasm where the largest volume of water thunders down with immense force, creating a permanent mist cloud. Journey via the train and walkways to the Devil's Throat, showcasing its raw power and the overwhelming sensory experience. The Argentine side provides a truly immersive and awe-inspiring experience of the sheer scale of Iguazu Falls. Exploring the Brazilian side, a grand vista. While Argentina offers closer encounters with the individual falls, the Brazilian side provides arguably the most iconic and comprehensive panoramic vista of the entire Iguazu Falls system. Virtually experience the main trail on the Brazilian side, offering a front-row seat to the vast panorama of hundreds of waterfalls cascading down the cliffs. Show sweeping panoramic views of the entire Iguazu Falls system from the Brazilian viewpoints. The Brazilian side also offers boat trips that take visitors right to the base of some of the falls, providing a thrilling and soaking experience. Explore footage of these boat excursions and the sheer power of the water up close. The Macuco Safari Trail offers a different perspective, leading through the rainforest to a viewpoint of the falls and the option for a boat ride. Discover the scenery along the Macuco Safari Trail. From the Brazilian side, visitors can truly appreciate the immense scale and the overall grandeur of Iguazu Falls as a unified natural spectacle. Biodiversity of the Iguazu region, a rainforest paradise. The region surrounding Iguazu Falls is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a vast array of plant and animal life within the subtropical rainforest. Explore the lush vegetation, including towering trees, vibrant orchids, and numerous species of ferns and bromeliads. Show close-up shots of the diverse flora. The area is teeming with wildlife, including toucans with their colorful beaks, playful monkeys, graceful butterflies, and the elusive jaguar. Discover footage and images of the diverse fauna of the Iguazu region. The spray from the falls creates a unique microclimate that supports an even greater variety of life. Discuss the ecological significance of the Iguazu National Parks on both the Argentine and Brazilian sides, which protect this invaluable ecosystem. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserve this natural paradise for future generations. Devil's Throat, the heart of the falls. The Devil's Throat, or Garganta del Diablo, is the most impressive and powerful section of Iguazu Falls, straddling the border between Argentina and Brazil. It is a U-shaped cataract measuring 82 meters, 269 feet, high, 150 meters, 492 feet, wide, and 700 meters, 2,297 feet, long. Virtually experience the journey to the Devil's Throat viewpoint on the Argentine side, walking along the suspended walkways over the river. Show the anticipation building as the roar of the water grows louder. The sheer volume of water cascading down the Devil's Throat creates a deafening roar and a permanent cloud of mist that can be seen from miles away. Explore dramatic footage and images capturing the raw power and scale of this natural wonder. The Brazilian side offers a panoramic view of the Devil's Throat, allowing visitors to appreciate its overall shape and the immense scale of the entire falls system converging at this point. Reflect on the overwhelming sensory experience of witnessing the Devil's Throat. The interplay of water and light, rainbows and mist, the constant spray and mist generated by the immense power of Iguazu Falls create a magical interplay of water and light, often resulting in stunning rainbows. Explore the phenomenon of rainbows forming over the falls, showcasing their vibrant colors against the backdrop of the cascading water and lush greenery. The intensity and frequency of rainbows at Iguazu are particularly notable due to the sheer volume of water and the tropical sunlight. Discuss the science behind rainbow formation. Different viewpoints and times of day offer unique perspectives on these ephemeral displays of light and water. Capture the beauty of rainbows arching over different sections of the falls. The mist itself creates a unique atmosphere, adding to the sense of wonder and the feeling of being immersed in nature's raw power. Iguazu National Parks, Conservation and Sustainability. The Iguazu Falls are protected by two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Iguazu National Park in Argentina and Iguazu National Park in Brazil. Explore the efforts undertaken by both countries to conserve this natural wonder and its surrounding ecosystem. Sustainable tourism practices are crucial to minimize the impact of visitors while allowing them to experience the beauty of the falls. Discuss the regulations and initiatives in place to protect the environment. The national parks play a vital role in preserving the biodiversity of the Panoramic forest and ensuring the long-term health of the Iguazu River. Show examples of conservation projects and sustainable tourism efforts. The international cooperation between Argentina and Brazil in managing and protecting Iguazu Falls serves as a model for cross-border conservation. Iguazu Falls, a thunderous masterpiece of nature, stands as a testament to the raw power and breathtaking beauty of our planet. From the awe-inspiring Devil's Throat to the panoramic vistas and the vibrant rainforest teeming with life, Iguazu offers an unforgettable sensory experience. The legends of the indigenous Guarani people and the accounts of early explorers add layers of cultural richness to this natural wonder. As we've explored its diverse viewpoints and the incredible biodiversity of its surroundings, it's clear that Iguazu is a treasure worth cherishing and protecting. We hope this journey has inspired you to witness the majesty of Iguazu Falls for yourself. Which viewpoint or aspect of Iguazu's story resonated most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow travel and nature enthusiasts, and subscribe to World Icons and Travel for more incredible explorations of the world's most spectacular natural wonders. Until our next adventure, hasta luego and 8 logo from the magnificent Iguazu Falls.